Hello everyone, this is me Sandesh Tamang, and I am here to present my project demonstration on information retrieval. And my Coventry ID is 16544174, and my college ID is 150114. As we have been asked to build a project especially focused on publication paper, and we have to build a vertical search engine similar to Google Scholar, you can say. And as we search any publication in Google Scholar, we can list some of their author list, publication title, and their profile links to their specific URL or their publication link. To build similar this type of project, I have used my React.js to visualize the front end interaction for the user, and in the backend I have used Django is my backend framework to create the API endpoints and to crawl the data and to scrap the data for the publication from the URL that was provided to us. I have used a core Python. You can see I have this is my landing page of my project. Here I have placed two cards, one for the search publication profile search publication page link, and another for the text classification page link. Since in the task 2 of our assignment we are asked to build a machine learning model or to classify the text of news title or publication title, any other phrases or sentence based on health, business, and politics. To demonstrate it, I have also integrated it in my project. You can also see the navigation bar of my project. Here is the home menu, here is the navigation for my search menu, here is the navigation for my classification. So whenever I click over here in this task one search publication card, it will redirect me to my search page. Similarly, if I click on the navigation bar, it will also redirect me to the search page. Similarly, if I clicked on this task to classification card, it will redirect me to the to its respective classification page. Similarly, the classifier navigation bar will also act same as my classification card. I have placed here in this landing page in order to make my project interactive. Other than that, I have also placed the link of Coventry Pure Portal, Coventry University, and Software College in my footer. When I click over here, it will redirect me to the respective website link of each of the category I have placed in my footer. Whenever I click over here or here, it will redirect me to my publication page. So at first, whenever I click over here, it will show no results, and whenever I try to search any of the publication, it will list the publication which are relevant to the query I have entered. So I have so if I as you can see, when I put the place the phrase or query and try to search, it listed me the list of publication. You can see I have faced the title of the publication, author's name, and published date, and the abstract of the published papers, and the relevance score, and the link of the published paper. In the first page, I have listed over 10 documents, and you can see there are total 70 pages. And for this query, it is showing one page, first page of the 77 pages. So whenever I click to view the paper, it will redirect me to the specific URL link of the Coventry Pure Portal URL of the same paper that is being faced over here. You can see Chao, R.D. Soma, Dimasak, Jun Wang. You can see the same authors over here, and you can see the uh, published date over here, and here is, as you can see over here, the published date, where it is must be over here, one of 1st of November to 2020 2013. You can also see the relevance score, and my I have used cosine similarity to class to calculate the relevance score of each of the document which are being faced. You can see I have sorted this query, and it has lemmatized the other relevance document as well, and the score you can see it is being um, 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 decreasing whenever I scroll down and then the score is being decreasing from top to bottom. So the relevance score, whichever document has the most top relevance score, it will shown in the top of the page of my result page. So this is for my classic this is for my document publication search result, which is the prototype of the search engine, vertical search engine similar to Google Scholar. So if I search this query in the Google search Scholar, you can say it will also show the same document. You can see political uncertainty and stock market volatility in the Middle East and North African, something like that. And you can say you can find this relevance document over here, and you can also see if I search for another document, it will list the same document. If I try to fetch this document in the Google Scholar, it will also show me the same document. You can see R Hassan, MK Hassan, MD Mia, and you can see R Hassan, MK Hassan, MD Mia, 11th of February 2025, 11th of February 2025, you can see. And if I go to this document, you can see the details of the document. It's 11th of February 2025, so the date is same. And even the abstract of the paper, you can see this paper, you can see over here. And if I click over here, it will redirect me to the pure portal of the Government University. Other than that, I have also tried to face the profile link of the authors. So most of the authors, they do not have profile link provided in the Coventry site. So whenever my API try to face the data, and if the profile links are available, then it will show the linked profile of the authors over here. You can see if you see the Arasan, he has no profile link. So here simply the plain text is being shown. And if you can see over here Thang Nguyen, he or she has the profile link. So if I click over here, it will redirect me to his or her profile. So you can see, and which is available in pure portal of Coventry University. Other than that, you can see another author. If there any, okay, I'll try to face another query. um, I'll try to face another query. You can see okay, here over here, Jinsu Park. So similarly, it will try to fetch all the profile links of the available authors, and they will link if the profile links are available. If the links are not available, then it will simply show the plain text. So I have used this some of these requirements which were asked in the assignment. So I have tried to implement all those things in my search engine, which is similar to um, um, uh, Google Scholar. So for the classification, I have used logistic regression to classify my text or query classification. You can see there are bunch of buttons to classify. I have uh, place these buttons to clear the source sentences or query, anything that user puts over here. I have used the clear button. It will clear the whole overall text over inside the text area. And other than that, there are three buttons: business, health, and politics. And these buttons will generate text related to this category. So whenever I click on business, it will generate business data. Whenever I click on health, it will generate the data of health. Whenever I click on politics, it will generate the data of health. So I have not used any generation technique or generation APIs to generate the data. I have listed the list of data set that are linked to this category. So I have list the data sets of business. I have list the data set of health and politics. Whenever I click on business, it will randomize the data set of business, and it will give me the one result of business. Similarly, it will generate for health and politics, like that. So if I classify whenever I generate business data, it will classify as business. Whenever I generate health, it will classify as health. Whenever I generate the data of politics, it will uh, classify as health. So if I other than that, if I put other documents, for example, I will try to paste this, and it will say 57% politics, 21% health, and 21% business. So if I paste this, it will also classify it as 62% politics, and the classified class will be politics. Other than that, if I try to copy any of other, so here is this is my Google Colab. I have built the machine learning model over here. You can see this is my code snippet for the videos. Here I have also tested my some of the my model before I integrate it to my project. So if I try to you know copy this text and put over here and classify, it will say politics. So here is the percentage of the respective categories which is being classified. So this is my classification demonstration of my task 2 of the assignment. And in this project I have integrated both my task 1 search engine and for the search publications, and task 2 text classification for my text classification using logistic regression. So in the backend I have used Django as a backend. You can see over here use that this is my backend phase code snippet. You can see here is the uh, class that will act as an API in to generate the sample text. This is the class that will act as an API endpoints for the you know sorts of the publication. And this is the text this is the class for my text classification, which will act as an API end. So you can see here is the URL. Here is the URL of each and every API endpoints. This for the text class, sorry, this for the generation of sample text for the classification. This is for my searching for searching publication. This is for the classification of text. So you can say this API are being used in my front end, which I have used React.js to build. You can say if I go to my search publication, you can see over here here is the source API that is being used over here. You can see source query and the API over here. You can see I will try to split it into. First of all, I'll close all of these, close all URLs, views. Sorry, search publication. Okay. Okay, so here is the source URL that is being used in my front end, and you can see over here. And if I go to text classifier, you can see over here here is the API for my sample text generation to classify, which is the API over here. And over other than that, you can see for the classification, the API is being called over in the front end of my React.js text classifier JSX file. So um, for the presentation, for the visual presentation, I have used Tailwind CSS um, um, uh, to um, make my project visually more interactive and attractive. So overall, this is my project demonstration. I hope this is for it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you.